The K10 Max drone is a budget-friendly drone that offers some impressive features, including a 3-camera system, obstacle avoidance, and 8K video recording. It is made of carbon fiber for a lightweight and durable construction. 3-camera system. The drone has a front-facing 8K camera, a bottom-facing 4K camera, and a side-facing 1080p camera. This allows you to capture stunning aerial footage from multiple perspectives. Obstacle avoidance. The drone has 4 obstacle avoidance sensors that help it to avoid crashing into objects. This makes it a safe drone to fly, even for beginners. 8K video recording. The front-facing camera can record 8K video at 30 frames per second. This is great for capturing high-resolution aerial footage. 4K/1080p live streaming. The drone can live stream video to your smartphone in 4K or 1080p resolution. This is great for sharing your aerial adventures with friends and family. 25 minutes flight time. The drone has a flight time of up to 25 minutes. This is enough time to capture plenty of footage on a single charge. 1.2 miles control range. The drone has a control range of up to 1.2 miles. This gives you plenty of freedom to fly the drone wherever you want. Overall, the K10 Max drone is a great option for budget-minded drone enthusiasts who are looking for a drone with impressive features. However, it is important to note that this is a new drone and there are no customer reviews yet. So, it is important to do your research before making a purchase. Here are some of the pros and cons of the K10 Max drone. 3-camera system. Obstacle avoidance. 8K video recording. 4K/1080p live streaming. 25 minutes flight time. 1.2 miles control range. Affordable price. New drone, so no customer reviews yet. Some assembly required. Not as durable as some other drones. If you are looking for a high-end drone with all the bells and whistles, then the K10 Max drone may not be the right choice for you. However, if you are looking for a budget-friendly drone with some impressive features, then the K10 Max drone is a great option.